Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Mazda BT50 SDX dual cab. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 to the 9th month 2011. This vehicle is fitted with a WEAT 3-litre turbo diesel engine, backed by a 5-speed 4-wheel drive manual transmission. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage. Left-hand headlight. Left-hand guard appears to have no damage. Left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand door with 3.25 dents. Left-hand rear door, 0.25 dent. This vehicle is fitted factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the tailgate, 0.25 dents. This vehicle has a tow bar fitted. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door, 0.25 dent. Right front, 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right hand front guard appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. Left front, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel with good tyre. Left-hand sun visor in tidy condition. Interior mirror. Right-hand sun visor in tidy condition. Center console. Instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.